Hey guys, I'm SartorialPhil. Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a fairly quick video on some of the city candles that I got from Diptyque. And I had before got the Paris one when I went to Paris. These were three that I got this time around through online ordering. And you can actually smell them through the packaging already. And based on that, I think there's one I'm actually not gonna keep. So I'm gonna start with Tokyo. So this one has like a coppery foil to it. I think this is probably the packaging I like the most so far. And immediately it hits you with a very strong ginger kind of smell. So there's just a little booklet about, I think, their candles. And the Tokyo one has the design of that coppery foil on it. I think very reminiscent of the red maples. The candle itself doesn't smell as gingery as surprisingly when I first opened the box. It does have like a soft powdery floral scent, but there still is that undertone of ginger in it. And then that's the bottom. These retail for $78 in the US, and I think the burn time is estimated at 60 hours. So that's the first candle. This is the next candle that I know I wanted to keep. So this is the Miami candle. And this one, again, it's for some reason, just when they're in the packaging, like when I remove the cellophane, I immediately get a huge hit of lemon. But I have a feeling if this is going to be like the Tokyo candle, the candle itself is going to be a little bit more muted. So this is quite different, the design of the candle. You have these very large leaves. They almost look like banana leaves, but this candle smells very lemony. I think it's supposed to evoke key lime pie, which comes from Florida. And again, upon smelling the candle itself, this one is a lot more floral. It almost has like a honeysuckle scent to it. So I'm curious when I burn it if it's going to have more of the lemon come through. Same thing as the first candle. This is $78 and estimated burn time of 60 hours. So this is the last one that I got. This was their newest addition to the city candles this year. It's Beijing. This is the French spelling for it. And I'm not sure if I want to keep this. I mean, based on my experience that the candles actually smell quite different than the wrappers, I may keep it. But this, just smelling it through the wrapper, is something that I find not as special because I think a lot of Chinese stores that I've been to have this kind of scent in some of the woods. It's a very woodsy, I don't know how to describe it. I think usually perfumes will say they're oriental inspired, like woody, sweet. And I think that's what this smells like. I do like the packaging too. This one has the dragon, and then it has, I think, some of the, might be cherry blossom flowers on it. So this one I'm unsure of. But I think when I light these, I'll probably make an update video of how they smell. And then this one I had unboxed in a different video, the Paris one, which I kind of forgot about because I put it on my bookcase. So this one I didn't get from this haul. This one I actually got from the Diptyque store in Paris. So I would say these are the 3 candles that I have so far. I may be trying different ones. They're only available for a week, so at the time I'm filming this, I think there's a couple days left. So I may consider, if I'm not going to keep the Beijing one, I might consider getting possibly the Berlin one. Sounds interesting. But right now I happen to have 3 that are from different continents. You have North America, Asia, and Europe. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.